Hi, my name is Sam McKnight. We're here with GHD backstage at the Moschino show in Milan Fashion Week. The show is inspired by couture models, almost in an Irving Penn picture. We've made the heads very, very small, very sleek. Everything has to follow the shape of the skull because the girls have things on their head. We have hats. The girls who don't have hats, we had a little fun with some plastic swimming inflatables, and we added a piece of very straight hair cut very blunt on the back like a swinging ponytail. So we have two different looks. To get the hair smooth and straight and shiny, we've used the GHD Helios hairdryer, which is super fast, super easy to use, makes the hair super shiny really quickly. To get the hair perfectly straight, we are using the GHD Platinum Plus. Makes the hair beautifully straight and shiny very quickly. We also used the new GHD Unplugged cordless straightening iron. For me, fashion should be fun, and Moschino really is fun. And a lot of the hair we're doing today is really good fun.